Hello students, this is Dr. Prabhu Kavin from SRMIST DSBS department. So in this video lecture we are going to see about data indexing and selection. So prerequisite for this, before going for data indexing and selection, I would like you to be familiar with methods and tools to access, set and modifying values in NumPy arrays. Okay, so these things will include indexing, slicing, masking, fancy indexing and a combination thereof. Okay, and here we will look into similar means of accessing and modifying values in Pandas series and data frame objects. Okay, if you have used the NumPy patterns, the corresponding patterns in Pandas will feel very familiar, though there are few quicker to be aware of. So we will start within the simple case of one-dimensional series objects, and then we will be moving on to more complicated two-dimensional data frame objects. So initially we'll be having we will be looking into data selection in series. So data selection in series means data will be in series. For example, we can take an array of data from 0.25 to 1. So we can take 4 data: 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 0.10. Okay, so in series we need to take it as a series as dictionary. So if you keep these two overlapping analogs in mind, it will help you to understand patterns of data indexing and selection in these arrays. So initially we will start with a simple, we need to create a dictionary of data. So here we'll start. So here we are going to import a pandas library at a pd. Okay, so data equal to pd.series. Inside that we'll be having the values means these are all the data which is available in the array: 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1.0. These are all the data, and the index value of each and every data is also declared here, which is index is equal to a, B, C, D. Index of 0.25 is A, and index of 0.5 is B, and 0.75 is C, and 1.0 is D. Okay, so now by entering these array values as a series, we can check it here. When you enter data, it will display what is the data available in this series now. Now you can check it here. Yes, so you can see the index here. Index values are A, B, C, D, and the actual objects are here, and data type is float 64. Okay, so next you are going to pick one data and display it. So how to pick one data from among this means why there is a index value here. If there is a dictionary with you, for example, you have a dictionary. If you want to find any words, what you will do, you will be checking with alphabetical order. Okay, so you will be starting from A, the next letter. Likewise, you can easily locate a word in a dictionary. So for that only, to locate easily, here the index values are there, that is A, B, C, D. So if you want to pick 0.50, the second value, from means you can put the index value data. From the data you're going to pick an index value B, so it will, the object will be displayed here. Here you can see that the value of B is 0.5, so it displays it. Okay, then we can also use dictionary link Python expressions and methods to examine the keys, indexes and values. Okay, so here next we are going to check whether an index is available in this series or not. Okay, so put here EA. So EA, you're going to check EA in data. So here it is a question that whether A is available in the data. So what will be the answer? Obviously it is available. So it shows true. So A, B, C, D is available. Now we are going to check whether F is available. Okay. So what we can do is we can put whether F in data. It means whether F is available in data or not. It shows false. Next, we are going to display the index value and data type. Okay. So what is the main key value? So here we're going to key data dot keys in C bracket. Okay. So here if you put like this, so it will display, column will display the index values comma data type. So what are the index values A, B, C? It will be in an array. Okay, and it will display the data type. What is the data type? It is an object. Okay, so it will display the data type. So series objects can also be modified with dictionary links in syntax. Okay, so just as you can extend a dictionary by assigning to a new key, you can extend a series by assigning to a series by assigning it to a new index value. Okay, so before going to assign a new value, I would like to display the data and the items in a list. Okay, so what is a keyword to display the index values in a list? Means obviously the keyword is list. Okay, inside list you can put a data dot item. It means in list a data will be there and that item will be placed. It shows the data entire set of data will be listed in the array. Sorry, you can see the output so that I can explain it. It will be clear for you. So here you can see in an array, okay, index value and the object is there, item, index value and the object. So everything will be displayed in a list. Okay, next we are going to insert one object inside the series. Okay, series. So how you are going to insert means it's very simple. So for example, you can inserting E value E. So you can see here A, B, C, D is there, E is not there. So there is no value for E. So if you are going to index anything, you need to give a index value as well as the object. What is the object? What is the value here? Okay. So for the E, and the value I'm going to put here is 1.25. You can say data inside square bracket E equal to 1.25. So this is a simple step to insert an item inside the set of arrays. Already we have series of data. Okay, so now we are going to display it using the keyword data. Here you can see now the series of arrays is A, B, C, D, E, and the value which we have entered inside is E equal to E is 1.25. Okay, and the data type is float. So this easy mutability of object is a convenient feature under the hood pandas. It makes decisions about memory layout and data copying that might need to take place, and the user generally does not need to worry about these issues. Next, you're going to see series as one-dimensional array. So series as one-dimensional array means, as I told you in the beginning, it has slicing, masking, and fancy indexing. So now you're going to see slicing. So for example, you're going to slice from the set of here you can see A, B, C, D, E index and values are there. Slicing. What is the meaning of slicing? If you're going to slice something, fruits, means you're going to cut apart from it. Okay. Likewise, consider this as an entire fruit. You're going to slice apart. So for that, what you're going to do? Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do is